Well, hello folks, Sam Owens here, and I've got a product that is going to be predominantly for commercial uses, but I see a lot of uses around the home that this might be valuable. It can be used in many places, and if you look up at the right, I'm going to put information that supports the product anywhere that you need to keep people from walking or driving over hoses, water hoses, electrical cables, a lot of things that this can be used for. And it's kind of a ramp system here. The measurements are up above, so I'm going to let you pause when you need to read some information about the product as we go along. And I'm going to take the 5 that come in this set and hook them together across my driveway, and you'll see a water hose and a electrical cable put in this 2-channel deal here. Here is one channel, and you've seen the measurements of these, and they will go right in there, anything that will fit in without touching the top. And the beautiful thing is you can just lift this up and drop them in. And if they're all connected together, there's a system to connect these. Right here is the female side that these ears go into. Let me just turn it around. These ears go into the next system or cable protector, and they lock. And you see they've got these locking points here. And this is important to keep these things from moving around once they're in place. And then what they have is, let me turn it around, they have 4 places that you can anchor this to the road. Like the utilities people that are going to have to put their cables across a road, this would be an ideal thing to use. And you can secure it to the road so that the trucks and traffic do not hit this thing and move it. So it's important with traffic at any speed to have this anchored down. And the holes are already here. It doesn't come with any hardware to mount it, so that would be up to you. But I wanted to point that out. Let me show you the bottom of this. It's really heavy duty, and so it will handle all of your traffic that would come across your place that you're protecting. And if you notice, it has a lot of support, and it's very nice construction. Yellow, which will signify even at night, I don't think it glows at night, but you will be able to see the difference between the black and the yellow. So this is a good system. Also, you have some gripping here. If walking traffic is going to be going over this, it does give you some grip instead of being just smooth. Now we are going to go to the driveway, and the key thing is just demonstrating the actual use of this. Okay folks, I've got the 5 panels laid out, and I'm going to run them across my driveway, and I'm going to let you see putting them together and see how they will work. And this is an ideal demonstration for a home use. Over, as far as I can get it over here, line it up. And now I take the next, and I'm going to take the female end and put it right over this part right here. Folks, I discovered something that I didn't realize. This hinge right here on this particular one is still not all the way in, and each one is that way, and you can't put this on until that is driven in. So I'm going to take my hammer and just drive it right in, and then this will go over and hook right in. push them down. So that's an important step that I didn't realize, or I would have told you at the workbench. Okay, there, you see that's going to work, and you can push this, but in my driveway I'm only going to be moving very, very slowly, so it's not going to move it, and so I don't need to anchor this right here. Now, and it's easy enough with these recessed areas to lift all of these up so that I can put the cables in and the hose. Okay. This is my garden hose that I'm going to protect, so I'm going to lay it on the inside of this right here, and I can kind of just push it down in there. Once you get it in, then you don't have to do anything. This is done. And now my electric wire, I'm going to put it in the other channel, because I have two channels here. Okay folks, my water hose and my power cable for my motorhome are protected from running over and won't create any problems of destroying the cables and stuff. Plus, anybody walking can walk over them without the danger of a power cable coming in contact. So let me go to the car. I'm going to back over and then come forward and let you see that. So just keep your eye on this. Folks, this is the roll of tape that you get with this 5 cable protector set, and you can put this to warn people that there is a ramp protector or cable protector in the area just going across this. folks, I think it's a really great system, and you see, it's a commercial product, but it could be used for a lot of places around the home, and this is one across the driveway or a sidewalk. You wouldn't need all 5 of them. Okay, folks, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.